Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to change message icon on iPhone. Customizing the appearance of your message app can give your phone a more personal touch. So, let's get started on how to change message icon on iPhone. First, open the Safari app. Search for the message icon that you want. Once you have found it, download the icon. Then, open the Shortcuts app. Tap on the plus icon from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Open App option. Right next to the open text, tap the blue app icon. Scroll through the list and tap on the Messages app. At the top of your screen, tap on the Open App option. From the menu, tap on the Add to Home Screen option. Rename the shortcuts to Messages so it matches the original app name. Then tap on the image icon. Tap on the Choose Photo option. Now find and select the icon that you have downloaded earlier. Tap Choose to confirm your selection. Finally, tap on the Add option in the top right corner to add the new message icon to your home screen. And this is how you can change message icon on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.